Brad Williams, Excel Prime, percentile. Similar to a quartile, percentile is a statistical feature. And here we have a range of salaries. You can see 90th percentile down to the 50th percentile. Name range, C5 to C14. We're going to use percentile, returns the K percentile. We have an average of 74,912. We can hit F9. Over here, percentile salary, 865, E5. What's E5? It is the percentile, 90th. That would be the high. We're not going to go to the 100th. Percentile function in Excel calculates the K percentile of a data set. A percentile is the value below which a specific proportion of data values fall. Percentile with K is equal to 0.4, 40%, means that 40% of values are less than or equal to the calculated result, while percentile with K equals 0.9 indicates that 90% of the values are less than or equal to the calculated result. Less than or equal to. To use percentile, you must supply a range of values in a number between 0 and 1 for the K argument. So here we have salary, and 0.4 represents the 40th percentile. You may also specify K as a percentage by using the percent symbol. You can do 0.4 or 80%. Here's the formula. Name range. K must be expressed as a decimal. So here you go. The median is 74% of the range. So somewhere in here, look between the 80th percentile and the 70th percentile. Here we have the 50th percentile, 73,008, as opposed to the average. Okay, we're not going to get into stats. We're just looking at this data, and the 50th percentile is 73,008 here. 60th is 75, 70th is 80, and 90th is 92,007. How do you use this? If your employee comes in and she says, I'm in the 90th percentile, well, that means their salary is 92,007 or below, between 80th and 90. So they could be 92,007 or 90,107 or 108. They could say they're in the 50th percentile. So they're right around this 73,008. If they're in the 60th, they're between 80, so on and so forth. Is this important? If you're trying to do some statistical analysis, then yes. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.